What's up guys, this is iDevice Lab 009 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the old Chrome icon back. So this works on all macOS versions from High Sierra to Tahoe. I use Chrome for literally everything, school, work, you name it. And macOS pushed an update from Big Sur that made all of the icons on the dock square, and Chrome is also affected. So I'm going to show you how to get the old icon back. So you want to go to your web browser and go to Chrome icons. You want to download an icon that you like. I'm going to pick this one, so you can click on download, and once it is downloaded you can minimize your web browser and drag and drop it to the desktop. Now double click open. It should open right up with preview. There we go. Now you want to select a box here, doesn't matter how big it is. Click on edit, select all, edit, copy, and now I can quit preview by holding command Q. Now I can go to file, new finder window, and now I'm going to select applications and type in Google Chrome to locate it. There we go. Double click with two fingers, get info. Now I'm going to select the icon, edit, paste. And there we go. If it asks for a password, just enter it and close the two windows. And now I am going to reopen Google Chrome so I can quit it and reopen it. And there we go, our old icon is back and we are done with that dumb shape. So thank you so much for watching, comment, like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.